We believe that egoism is better because it improves self-interest. It symbolizes that we include ourselves. It allows us to live in an intimate way. We tend to act based on our emotions, although they tend to think that it's selfish, but it's not. We just need to show that we are not that plastic. And if you have confidence in yourself, you will know how to solve difficult problems, personal development, and of course, gain deeper understanding of your beliefs and values. Humans are egoistic in nature. Actually, our nakitaan ang human is egoistic in nature. We are here because of our ego. We tend to believe that any pag-eskwela is para rin sa aton self-growth o para rin sa aton future. Huwag mo tag-eskwela para nga, uy, eskwela mo na akong ego, labangan ako sa pag-eskwela. No. Para rin sa aton galing mo yung eskwela. And also, it can encourage personal growth, self-reliance, when individuals prioritize their own interests. They develop the motivation to achieve their goals, and also it means you will probably be more secure and confident person knowing that you have your own moral compass to guide you. In short, imong self-report ang guide sa imo. And of course, ang egoism is it prioritizes yourself over others. Also, egoism is nature na din sa tanan. Although makakita nga, egoism is selfish na siya. Agad siya ang ego, or it's not guys, it's not. Although makakawagin na siya ang first impression tungkol sa ego, pero after ang i-allow ang himself, may express kung sa kinasong gusto express sa each other. Also, mag-interact ka sa uban. Mag-interact ka sa uban, we tend to witness na, ay, mo di ko pili sa iyang kay makadaan mo siya para sa ako. Of course, ang ego na to, mo binasya mo guys.
So, the speaker spoke for 4 minutes and 22 seconds. So, ang rebuttal after na sa duha ka speech. So, after nila mag-speech, mag-rebut na bisan din sa duha ka speech. Okay? Alright. Let's give the floor to the opposition.
But if you notice from their speech, there's really no clear analysis on how pag-focus nito sa egoism ay mas morally better than altruism. They put clear steps on how pag-about sa personal growth, sa pag-focus sa assets. Sure, dito siya buhay. Compass or even analysis ako makakasya sa altruism. Anyway, nabigyan ko yun. Kanina debate, in fact, kung makakita mo laro to Sasuke, nilaro to ang pagkakaroon sa altruism, Sasuke ang pang egoism. Basically, na ako sila, hindi ko yung characters na focus sa iba. Let's first start this debate by talking about, let's try to create a metric to how to decide whether one thing is is morally better than the other. So what are then our main metrics for this debate? What exactly is considered morally? Morally is when something is a cause for the greater good, not just for yourself, but for the betterment of everyone else. So we're going to talk about two parts when it comes to altruism in this case. One is whether it causes greater good for yourself, and two, whether it causes greater good for others. Now, I know it sounds medyo confusing that we talk about the self, but I'll get to that later. But I'll explain to you how it still is related to altruism, even though it's about it's about helping others. But for others, when you talk about altruism is trying to focus on the betterment of others people. Of course, instead of yourself. Dawat na namo nga dili ka na gina-focus less ka sa kaugalingon. Dawat ko na namo nga basin ma-sacrifice mo kaugalingon. Pero okay ra na siya kay sa totality sa tanan, ako ipakita sa inyo mas bukran gapon ang focus bitaw sa others. So, our yun ang mga problems karon sa society, sa government, ang kadaghan sa ila, especially even sa politics pa lang. Daghan sa ila ang reasons kami continue gapon nila sila. Because na-focus sila sa ilang own self-interest. So what exactly is focusing your self-interest in the expense of other people? Muna ang egoism. Sure, 9 positive sides of egoism, or the affirmative side, I did not hear anything about positive altruism that helps with other people, or negative analysis about how it gets there. So, for helping other people, let's say for example, I help the poor, for example, or I help my friends, for example, in a case for like group works, or like even right now in debate and that on the thing that happens then and how it helps other people is that it helps them elevate, it helps them pass ethics class, and what happens when you pass ethics class, you become closer to getting to fourth year. What happens when you get to fourth year? Diba? Mas taas ang chance mag-able to graduation. Diba? Pag mag-graduate na ka, bakit ang nagtrabaho, that helps yourself, and that helps them find a job to support themselves, sustain themselves throughout life, and that also helps them this sense of self-completeness or self-completion. Sure, it's not always going to be guaranteed, but at least pag-focus sa altruism is more closer to getting there. Because at least pag-graduate nila, nasa yung trabaho, pag-support sa pagalingon, hindi sila talagang sa pagalingon. Second, on how it helps, even how it also helps ourselves. The thing about helping other people, whether we do it intentionally or not, is that it helps us create better connections with people. For example, although wala nang intention na mangitaw kung paano ubigan sila, nakita nila na sila. It's also human, since affirmative science is talking about human nature. We're also talking about human nature of humanity, in which they also want to give back to the people that help them, which is why we want to give back sa mga parents. Ako, gusto na ito, hindi na ako nabintan ng mga amigo na support na ako ng communication nila.
Altruism is more practical than individual. Ito kay Boss, pagpapasya. I mean, di ba naingon niya kayo na nasaktan niya na nung mas kulang din mga people more practical than individual. So, okay ba ba? Okay, answer ng muli, sir. Is it okay to prioritize other over themselves? Usually, inalagay natin tumagan sa mga manipulative.
Wala! Version ito.
Di ba ang mga RCY, ang mga parents na habang sa inyo data for free, hindi ba naman hindi ba siya for free lang?
That's situational.
For free po po, situational.
Masukon.
We're talking about morality. We're talking about morality kung nasa nagikat ng atong pagkuhan ng tubig. So, ang pangailan is saying is about being political and traditional sa mga arguments, and in short, wala siya kuhan like biniblit ang mga tao. Wala siya yung focus about sa isa ka moral sa isa ka tao about sa instant growth, more on focus sa gagawin mga people sa kuhan kumpara daw sa iyang self-growth. Although that's wrong with good now.
If you notice people, that he keeps saying na manipulate the among side without proving how. When you look at society right now, mga people na egoistic bitaw, lalo sa mga politicians, sila ba nag-manipulate sa mga tao? Sila galing.
Sagka di ba?
Here, here!
istorya pa man ko. Yung question, ang manipulative way, wala i-explain ako kung ano. So, although that, okay, next.
Kasama lagi sa mga kaya.
So, of course, egoistic, akong i-panagin niya, egoistic is not being passive. We're just being true to ourselves. It's not bad, ikaw na mismo na minsan na naging na. So, wala pa akong expose sa pag-argue kung natin nakasama statement kayo na.
Ayun na, ang pagkakot sa mga details, dapat magdawat ka sa mga details. Itawag naman kung negative is magaling sa result, di ba? Pero at least i-compare naman sa totality sa talan. I mean, sa collectively, sa talan yun, compare nyo ang long run, na nakita naman sa totality. Mas better dapat morally, makakapag-result. Dapat ka sa other people, and by talking other people, that result. Second is, improve again, particularly, mas help for free, also help for focus on the welfare of the people for free, despite,
Actually, ang egoistic ay naningon ka na, although we respect your buwan, naingon ba nga, bakit ang pagtabang sa uwan, di ba walang pod? Wala ko di ba sa mga, ako hindi buwan, di ba wala? So of course, ang among ikuan, we only prioritize ourselves. Wala akong hinihingon niya, bad ang kuan, like, mo, kami sa uwan, we're just saying na we prioritize ourselves over others. And of course, although there's nagkatang improve na
Four, to give their verdict. Verdict oh, verdict is nakadaog na. Like, compare niyo po hatagin yung rason na pinagdisikuan ang ano yung
Ala, matay ka, friends.
Okay, this is well, the group who won this debate it's because first of all, before the starting point, it was their chance to characterize or define information of their motion, which is egoism. They try to try to sell to you that egoism is positive and not acknowledging the negative side of egoism. Kind of, and also along the way sa ilang conversation sa ilang discourse, he was dismissing some of the points sa opposition, and at the same time proving that the point of the opposition is much maragi confirm nila ang arguments ni position na mas better ilang compared sa egoism na side. And that's just a brief one. Okay, 1 point! Okay, let's hear it from Group 4.
Go, Dix.
Pero sa nakita na ko nga ilahan di ba pininakas. Kaya mas na siya yung koral, na siya mga statements pero dili is nasa dali ka. Nasa dali ka counter pero may saya na kan argument. And then I would say that akong side is very
So, congratulations, opposition. It's a win for you. Alright, so get ready, Group 1, Group 2, because we will be the next judge. Okay, so
Oh my
the
God.
next round, Group 3 and Group 4 will be debating. Okay, wait.
Kali mo, Igwan?
We believe that male morality is
Igwan mo.
better
Saba
than
guro nila
female
haba.
morality. Let's give the floor
Ay, ilaha din itong
to
isa.
our first.
Ah, oh my God, hindi dito. Johnny!
Mayor morality. Mayor morality is based on rules, regulation, policies, and guidelines. So, sa mayor morality,